So now we will do the new topic, that is homologous series. That is series of compounds which are arranged in a particular order such that their molecular formula difference is by CH2 and their molecular mass difference is by 14U. These group of atoms or group of compounds are known as homologous series. As I told you in last example, that if suppose I have removed hydrogen atom from the chain of alkanes, and these group of atoms are like this. Suppose I have three members of alkanes. I have ethane. What will be the formula for ethane? What will be the formula for ethane?
C2H6.
C2,
C2H6.
very good. C2H6. So as I told you, C2H6, if I remove one atom, it will be C2H5, and alcohol is attached at the functional group, so it will be C2H5OH. Agree? Agree?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? Okay. Now suppose I have propane. Propane formula is C3,
H8.
C3,
H8.
C3 alkane, C3H8, common formula CnH2n है ना बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
So C3H8, right? So
H8.
C3H8, if I remove one hydrogen, it replaces an addition of OH take place here, right? Now, if I have butane, C4H10,
C4H10.
H10.
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 very good. If I replace one hydrogen atom, it will be
H9.
C4H9,
H9.
H9.
C4H9, आगे
OH.
OH, OH
OH.
तो लगाएंगे ना बेटा, फंक्शनल ग्रुप लगाएंगे, हम अल्कोहल लगा रहे हैं सब में,
OH.
तो OH. Is it clear? Will the name will remain the same? Will
No,
the
ma'am.
name remain same?
No.
No. Names will also
No.
change, right? So their names will get changed, which is a separate topic we will discuss in detail in next class. So these group of the atoms which have same functional group, you can see ethane, I have removed one hydrogen and OH is attached, C3H7, propane, I have removed one hydrogen atom attached to it, and in butane also I have removed one hydrogen atom and attached OH. These group of atoms are in a particular series in order. How? I have to check these two characteristics. If a question comes that identify the members of homologous series from this example or the given number of compounds, so you have to see two things. One, they all should have same functional group, as we have discussed in the definition, that homologous series members have same functional group and they are having difference in their molecular formula of CH2 and molecular mass by 14U. Is it clear? So if the difference in molecular formula is CH2, obviously molecular mass difference will be of 14U. Why it is so? Satyam, what is the molecular mass of carbon? What is molecular mass of carbon, beta? 12U it is. And what is the molecular mass of hydrogen? 1 into 2. So it will be 2U.
2U.
So obviously this will come out to be 14U. So either or you can check in the series of compounds that if their difference in molecular formula is of CH2, then molecular mass difference will be automatically of 14U if they have same functional formula. If the functional formula or the functional group of atoms attached with them is same, then the difference in molecular mass will be same. Is it clear? Yes or no?
Yes.
Let us prove it. See, this was ethane. and next member is propane. So if I see that functional group is OH, all are same, first condition is proved. Now what is the difference of molecular formula in these two, that is ethane and propane? Please tell. What is the difference of molecular formula in these two? One carbon
CH2.
and how
CH2.
many? Suppose I have added one odd group of atoms in this. अगर मैं इसमें odd group of atoms join कर दूं, so what will happen? See, suppose I have given you one formula CH3 CH2 CHO.